Every day, thousands of crispy samosas are produced inside this massive factory.
Today, we're going behind the scenes to witness the fully automated samosa making process.
Strict hygiene and safety protocols guide every step inside this facility. The journey begins with high-quality potatoes.
They are thoroughly washed inside an industrial cleaning unit.
A high-speed peeler removes the outer skin efficiently.
Next, precision blades chop the potatoes into uniform pieces.
Steam pressure cookers soften them perfectly for the filling.
Giant mashers transform the cooked potatoes into a smooth base.
This is where the magic begins, the signature spice blend.
Sensors constantly maintain the perfect temperature and consistency.
The filling is slightly cooled so it can be wrapped easily.
Meanwhile, flour flows from automated silos. Flour, oil, and water blend into the ideal dough.
Roller systems stretch the dough into thin, uniform sheets. Cutting blades slice the sheets into perfect triangles. Each sheet receives a precisely measured scoop of filling.
Robotic arms fold the sheets into samosas at remarkable speed.
Heat sealing ensures the edges stay tightly closed.
Hundreds of samosas roll down the line every minute.
Now comes the most crucial step: frying.
The conveyor gently lowers them into perfectly heated oil. Precise cooking time gives every samosa an even golden color.
An oil drip system removes excess oil for a lighter bite.
Freshly fried samosas cool down before packaging. AI-powered cameras scan each samosa for imperfections.
Defective pieces are automatically separated.
Experts perform the final manual quality check.
Final box scanned. Inventory updated.
Copy that. Securing the load now.
The temperature spiked unexpectedly right here. Yeah.
Yes, I'm logging the variance now. It correlates with the moisture levels. These sensor readings are erratic. Check the input parameters on the L3 sensor array.
Look at this spike in efficiency on line 3.
That correlates exactly with the new robotic welding deployment.
Each samosa maintains the same golden perfection.
This is how they reach your table, crispy and delicious.
A crunchy shell filled with rich flavor.
From raw potatoes to packaged perfection, technology makes it all possible. From raw potatoes to packaged perfection, technology makes it all possible.